What's up guys, boss Sanus coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. What peeps? Are we there with another?
This is a paid announcement by the landlord of lot 127 Cedar Grove Crescent on inform this tenant or rent for 24 months, whole water bill for 4 years, got notice 2 times and don't want to move. Condition apply.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Banger! But as usual guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really help out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright peeps, that clip I want me to show you is taken from a surveillance video yesterday. Montego Bay on the hip strip. Yeah, one JDF officer meeting a little accident and thing. But I could pre it now and look on it now.
Yeah, one soldier man just Montego Bay. So look down all the light post. I said, God, them gone with him to hospital. Whoa! I wanna saw that. See there. See there, in the water. Watch, I want a government van. Nobody is in there.
You know, see, based on me show no, 2 times, the man jump out of the van, bruh. So apparently, what happened is, him a drive down and one car in front of him, look like car probably break up too soon. I not realize what going on and I swerve. You know what I mean? Him swerve out of the way and go over there so. You know what I mean? And for some reason, good training and thing, him chuck out. Man, you chuck out. Him chuck right out. But don't worry peeps. Reports are, he's okay and thing. But the JDF vehicle mash up there. I wonder if I get in trouble. Sarge, they might charge him. Me no know. Alright peeps, the next video here is supplied by the Jamaica Observer. So big up Jamaica Observer for that clip here. I could watch that one here and see what go on tonight here. Wow, that one here rough. So according to what you're seeing right here, what you see right here, so is this. So 60 million US dollars worth of counterfeit goods were seized, yeah, by the custom agency in Jamaica, and then pretty much grind them up. You know what I mean? Grind them up and never dash them away or something like that. Now, you know a lot of people are gonna say, Jano Star, why dash them away? And you can give them to some homeless people or people less fortunate, and so yes, that's a good heart gesture. That's a good way of looking at it. But remember that these people clothes and things are copyright, and they would want you to buy it directly from them. These people are duplicating their original products and making money. Now, me not fight out nobody. No, me just tell you where the law say. You know what I mean? Yeah. So all of them they get seized from them in Jamaica. All kind of brand you can see and things. So if Jamaica don't do it, you know them big company are like Nike, MK, Adidas, all them top brand there, when them are sue, you know, them sue for billions, you know, cause nobody not talking a millions again, you know. So that a go on in a John shop, you know. Alright, peace. Make you watch the next video now.
Wrap it around and dirt, you know, I'm gonna do that. The pot come out shine. So after I go shop and sit and come back and share too. No. Somebody share my food, please. Me walk away up the sign of fear and shift it back between and to any bag. Every and now enough me after.
Wassy, no people in Wassy.
After me go, me hand tired, me hand then tired.
Yeah, so the Wassy Jamaican white girl the people wanna be asked about and say how she talks, so she talk the sweetest Jamaican language more than any one of us. So come give a look at your language and the people know your features.
My language is patois and English. That is my first.
Oh, so the people always ask you about Jamaican born.
I was born in Jamaica. I was raised here. I went to school here.
People can understand.
Tell the people
them where you're born and grew.
I'm born and grew up Portland. I was raised here. I go to school here. Everything. I travel. Yes. My parents German, so I am bilingual, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I can speak German as well. Ich kann auch Deutsch reden, wie die Melodie, weil sie ist auch Deutsch.
What?
So yes, I can speak. I can don't do that. Yes. And I can also speak standard English. I can speak very good English. So yeah.
What else can you do?
Everything.
Everything else.
What I know. Can climb tree or far. Yo, where do we go? Yo, where do we go up to? I'm a apple tree, Mr. Aaron. Who you been on top of apple tree? I saw the backside in a go.
You say fine? You say she fine?
Man. First of all, I wasn't even expecting that. No, so I go buy, but you know when I have to walk when I come out, I have to share my own food. Sassy. First of all, none of us even expect that. The real white woman, but she born and grew in a Jamaica. You know what I mean? German family and thing. Yeah? Big up yourself. I think them say her name is Jenna. So when you spell it out, I'll follow her up on her Instagram. You can put the J.E.N.N.A and stuff like that. But that's cool. Big up yourself, Jenna. The sassy white Jamaican woman. I don't know. I hope I never sound racist, but you get what I mean. Wah! Big up on yourself, you know, peeps. Happy Friday, man. Yeah. Today is Friday. Friday. So big up on yourself. Happy TGIF. Hope you enjoy them video there. Leave your comments down below and let me know your thoughts on the whole thing and thing. Yeah. Peeps, sorry I wasn't really uploading any video this week. Me tired. I really need for rest. And was supposed to go on the road today with Miss Sinus or tomorrow, but plans get pushed back and thing. But Stay tuned. Me there. Me not gone away. And as few of you guys may know, I've been a lot of road tours all over Jamaica. So hence the reason fewer uploads and stuff like that. But yeah. Just go on journey with your boy. Me there same way. Me not gone away. Still I put in the work. Summer is here, so I have some little plans and some little new things more I put into play. So yeah. So big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. And just go on journey with your boy. Ashoo!